Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. And congratulations on completing the steering and sailing rules section of the COLREGs. You're now entering a brand new section, conduct of vessels in sight of one another. And it all kicks off right here with rule number 11. Grab your notepad and let's break it down. The rules in this section apply to vessels in sight of one another. This one is short, but very important. Rule 11 tells us when the upcoming rules, from rules 12 to 18, are in effect. So what does in sight of one another actually mean? You can see the other vessel with your naked eye, directly, visually, without using radar, AIS, or any electronics. No binoculars required, no screen needed, just your eyes. Here's a key takeaway. The rules in this section do not apply when you are navigating in restricted visibility, such as fog, heavy rain, or darkness, where you can't visually see the other vessel. For restricted visibility, there's an entirely separate rule, Rule 19, and we'll cover that in detail soon. But for now, Rule 11 equals, can you see the other vessel? If yes, Rules 12 to 18 apply. I know this can get a bit technical, especially as we switch sections, but trust me, you're going to start connecting the dots really soon. Just remember this, Rules 1 to 10 apply in any visibility. Rules 11 to 18 apply only when vessels are in sight of each other. Rule 19 covers restricted visibility. Keep writing your notes, stay focused, and we'll tackle each rule one at a time. You're doing great, and by the end of this series, you're going to have a full understanding of every part of the COLREGs. So sharpen that pencil, label this section clearly, and I'll see you in the next video, where we dive into Rule 12 sailing vessels.